Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Oh my god, y'all see me? I'm over here being consistent. I'm being so consistent. So today, I am filming a brow tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how to achieve these, cute baddie eyebrows, then keep on watching. Oh, baby, I just want to take a quick second and say that I'm so sorry I look a hot ass mess. Okay, hey guys, I'm back and I finished the brow off camera. And so today, the first product I will be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade and shade Ebony.
Hey, hello, I'm Ebony.
And I usually just go in from the start of my brow and outline it all the way to the end, just to get a shape going for my whole brow. And then I also do the top, but I don't do it all the way. I at least stop like around right here. And I also don't put any product up here. So try to keep that in mind while you're doing your eyebrows if you want to achieve this look. And I want you guys to keep in mind that this part here kind of like fades in until where it's like where it's no hair. I mean, not no hair. It's like no product, it's just hair, and it's product like all through here, so it's gonna have like a type of fading. Done. And so basically I'm gonna go off camera and conceal my brows. I'm not gonna show you because I feel like a lot of people could conceal them the same way. So I can just tell you really quickly. I usually outline the bottom and usually go halfway through at the top, just like I did in the beginning. And yeah, I just blend out the concealer. So I'll be right back when I have them concealed. All right, guys, this is the final look. This is how I achieve my eyebrows. As you can tell, they're pretty cute if I do say so myself. But thank you guys so much. I promise you guys I will be more consistent with uploading. So please subscribe, please comment, please like, tell me what you want to see next. And until I see you guys this next time, and there will be a next time, like there will be a next time. So until I see you guys this next time, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and